Hi, my name's Eric Jameson, Midwest Area Sales Manager for Lyco Manufacturing. The unit behind me is a Lyco Vaper-Flow Blancher used for steaming vegetables. The first Lyco Vaper-Flow was shipped in 1999. Today, we're going to ship number 72. Customers have come to trust Lyco as the leader for steam blanching a variety of different vegetables. This system is set up for leafy vegetables such as spinach or collard greens. This large flume is used to wilt leafy greens as the product is fed into the machine. Water is recirculated out of the base of the blancher through the flume as a closed loop system. This allows for large leafy products to condense and wilt as it enters the throat of the blancher. With our systems, we have replaced over 200 feet of belt blanchers with only 32 feet using Vaper-Flow Blancher technology. So, why would you steam blanch versus water blanch? Steam blanchers are more efficient and use less energy compared to water blanching. They have better quality, color, and taste. Our systems are proven to provide a 5-log reduction for vegetables. Vaper-Flow is a very flexible system. You can run as a steam blancher or a water blancher with this unique assembly. When running in the steam blanch mode, this valve is open and the water overflows out of this tube. And what that does is it just keeps the bottom of the drum lubricated and keeps product from sticking to the inside of the drum. If you want a water blanch, this valve here would be closed, and that allows the water level to raise up in the drum, and the water level will now overflow up here, and that becomes a water blancher. So now for water blanching, this is your new overflow port, and it overflows to drain. The Vaper-Flow is the most sanitary design compared to traditional belt blanchers. Optional side CIP, removable doors, two-way flip-top cover, all of these features reduce the sanitation time. Steam blanching also improves quality and texture with increased overall recovery. The Vaper-Flow is so simple and is guaranteed to provide the lowest cost of ownership on the market with only 4 moving parts. So if you need help blanching leafy vegetables, feel free to call us at 920-623-4152 or visit us on our website at www.lycomfg.com.